Welcome back to day 7, I believe, of Christmas in July. Now today I'm using this sketch. It's a double page sketch, but I'm only going to be using the left hand side. So that basically. So I just need a background, a band across the middle, a strip, maybe some ribbon or twine or something, and my photos. And I've just got 3 photos. I have trimmed them down. That one's still a 4x6. This is more like 3.5 by 5.5, and then a 3x3. So I'll just make it work somehow. And these were the papers. Oh, while I was getting organized, I thought I went and I cut a bunch of more pine boughs just so they were ready. And then I dug out these trees as well from one of the boxes over there. So there's different greens, glitter green, white. Yeah, just white cardstock. So those will be available to us. And then actually I should show you, I grabbed that pink. This is from the Hip Kit Club Merry Everything. And again, this is, I think it was from 2020. So if there's something in this kit that I can pull out that's going to work with the pinks, we will go ahead and do that. And I think what I was contemplating, now, hang on, this and this are the same. So I'm just going to set this one aside because I could use that as cut aparts. I think I was kind of thinking that for the background. This would be the banner down the middle, or across the middle, I guess. And then maybe a strip of this down the side, matting the photos. That's kind of what I'm thinking. I did mean to look if I had any pink ribbon. I'm sure I have something around. Yeah, so I think, and I'm just going to do this at 6 inches. Ooh, right. Wonder if we could do anything with that. So I'm just going to cut this at 6 inches. And okay, so that was going to go that way. Oh, maybe it wasn't all the way across. No, it's probably going to be about 10. I'm going to take a couple of inches off here because it'll go something like that, then that band down the side. I can cut the branding strip off. I was just thinking it's hard to believe it. We're doing Christmas in July and it's so smoking hot out. Okay, so I've got that. I still needed a band of something across here, ribbon, and maybe some sort of punch, something like that. And I just wanted to see, would that be too much to do that strip in? Well, let me cut a little bit here. So I'm going about 1 3/4, just the way this stripe looked to me. Can tell the other side of this. Oh no, it was cut with this. It's a very rough cut. I'm wondering if that's a bit too bold. Okay, let me cut a piece of this too, and I will see. Oh, I like this, the diagonal. I wonder, should I do my usual? Or, now just hang on. Go this way. Yeah, I think I like that actually. And maybe I'll take a strip of yellow somehow to make that strip. Okay, I'm gonna quickly gut this and we will see what it looks like. And then I'll probably go off camera to get a few pieces put together. Oops. And again, these aren't themey Christmas pictures, but this is Christmas, during Christmas season. We take the dogs up, we're a really safe place where we can let them off leash. And we're about, it's about a 45-minute drive. It's not bad. But we love it because they can get off leash and just burn off a ton of steam. And yeah, we go, depends how much snow there is up there. We'll either bring our snowshoes or walk. The last couple of years, we haven't had much snow, so we can walk. It's pretty compressed because the trail we take, well, you can't really tell here, but snowmobilers use it and they pack the trail down, which is kind of nice. Now, what did I just do here? I have no idea. Oh, I know. That's what I did. I forgot the branding strip was there. That's why that looks funny. Now 3/8. Okay, let's see. Okay, something like that. Yeah, I think that's what I'm going to do, is just go ahead and I'll cut. Well, it looks like it's only about an inch, so maybe I'll come back a little bit. And this won't be quite long enough because of the pieces. This will be about 10 inches. So I'm going to cut 2 of those, and then I'll have to join them, you know, something like that to make it the 12 inches. Yeah, I think I like that. Where did that black piece go? What about even something like that? Ooh, and maybe I could put the black here too. Well, it'll be a surprise for you in a few minutes when I come back. Hang on. Okay, I'm back. So this is where I've got to. The pictures are not adhered down, neither is any of the embellishments. I went and I grabbed one of those pieces I had pulled just in case, and I thought that would be super cute to make some bigger trees. I used some of the glitter that I had cut out. I'm not entirely sure what I'm doing with it yet. I did have, and that's all I had on that roll, so that's wonderful. I got a whole roll gone. And then I still haven't looked at any of this yet, so let me see. So we've got, I guess these are supposed to be cookies, maybe? I don't know. They're wood veneer, but I don't know. The color looks cute. Maybe some snowflakes. Let's see. Yeah, maybe we can use some of these. There's one. There's one. And maybe one more up here somewhere. Okay. Well, that's good. We used a bit of that one. Oh, I forgot this even had little dots in it too. Okay. Fa la la. Oh, that's cute. Let me see what's on the other side. I'm kind of thinking if I put this here, something like that. And more snowflakes. Anything here? No, I think I'm good with that. And what else was in here? Oh, sequins. Maybe a little shaker pocket. The video previous to this, I took the time to show you guys how I do my shaker pockets, and then I didn't even end up using it. So it is not on that layout, sorry, but you won't be seeing it. Don't know. A stocking, the tree. What else is in here? Okay, well, that's nothing. And that's, I could use that just to back that. What else is in here? Wondering about some black and white snowflakes I see poking around. Boy, should I do more trees? Stick somebody up there and don't know. I'm just playing right now. No, what else? No. Snowman. I'm going to save the snowman because I know I've got other pictures. Believe in the magic. Well, lots of choices now. I better get another tree down here just so I have something different in each one. No, those are interesting. I'm not sure. Okay, and then there was some black and white I saw in here. And let me rifle through this a little bit more. I'm sure there's more snowflakes. And there's little branches, but I think they're going to be a little too tiny. But would that color be okay? We aren't using that. I hope you can see off the side here, down in this corner. No. Okay, well, maybe that's it for those snowflakes. I think it is. Okay. Oh, what's that? Nope. Okay. But there are more of those on the on this sheet. So let me just get this back to looking like something. If I did this, oops. Oh, those are sticky. sticky still, very sticky. Okay, I'm just gonna, whoops, cut a little chunk, move that to the side. Oh, that was packaging. That's what that was. I can see it now. The hip kit, the club on it. So I'll put that. So I am thinking I might do something over here. I just don't want to put that down again. I don't want it to stick. Oh, and then that guy was sticky too. And that can go. Okay, well, I think, let me move on with this part. I kind of would like to have this in here somewhere, but car's going the wrong way. I wish it was going that way. So maybe that eliminates that. And maybe somewhere over here. Okay, I will see what I can do about the shaker pocket, get a few things adhered down. Oh, I still have to ink my edges. So I'll be back when I've got that part done. Okay, so I am back. I've got, everything is adhered. I've cut the little bits off that were hanging over the edge, made my little shaker pocket, used up some more of the snowflakes off of that sheet. And then I thought, well, I may as well go ahead and use some of these. Now I just don't know what color. Maybe just the pink. Yeah, why not? Let's just do some pink now. Whoop. There is one. Oh, and I was able to get this guy on here too. I thought, I don't mind it coming down into the picture. So it just kind of made this bigger cluster area. And maybe I'll come down here. My snowflake is not stuck down yet. All right. All right, and I've got a couple more here. I guess I could use one. Actually, I have 4 total, so let's see if I can pop. I'll get 3 over here, and I need 1 more somewhere. There, done, all done. I don't know that I'll add any splattery bits on this one. But I think that'll be it. So thank you for joining me for Christmas in July. I may do some bonus layouts. I think I have 2 or 3 left in my pile. I just want to get a couple of other videos done for other things I've got going on. And then if I have time, I can still post a bonus for a couple of days, but we'll see how that goes. So thanks again for joining me. Any comments, questions, please let me know. Thanks, guys. Bye.